Epic tools, things beyond your imagination, that's just a glimpse of what you'll see in this video, so stick around and enjoy. Let's start with the cool tool Rive-Out, which is not just a puller but a carefully designed, comprehensive solution to the unique challenges associated with removing rive pipe from concrete. Its innovative design and proven effectiveness make it the preferred choice of construction professionals and contractors worldwide. The use of Rive-Out not only achieves efficient extraction of rive pipe, but also ensures the structural integrity of the concrete. Its carefully designed layout ensures that the extraction process is simple and quick, without causing damage to the surrounding concrete wall. This means that contractors can complete the job more efficiently without having to worry about costly repairs or project delays due to accidental damage. In addition to its ability to effectively remove rive pipe, Rive-Out offers other significant benefits. Eliminating rive pipe eliminates the potential for leakage at the joint between PVC pipe and concrete. The end result is a clean, even and smooth gap in the wall, free of plastic residue and ready for future modifications or repairs. Ready to take innovation to the next level? What you've just seen is the beginning. Get ready to dive even deeper into the future with the tools yet to come. Meticulously designed to integrate with all of Laser's 5/8-inch diesel injector adapters, the Laser 8727 provides an effective and precise solution for pulling on vehicles and other mechanical components. Its unique design allows it to be mounted in line with the component being extracted, ensuring optimal transmission of impact force and vibration through any 5/8-inch UNF or M18 threaded adapter. One of the key benefits of the 8727 laser is its ability to reduce the overall working length, which not only improves efficiency and accuracy, but also expands the potential applications when used in conjunction with the vehicle's engine. This makes it a highly versatile tool that can adapt to a variety of situations and work environments. Compared to traditional gun-type impact hammers, the Laser 8727 offers improved shock and vibration transmission for more consistent and reliable results with each extraction. Its pneumatic hammer extraction feature allows for fast and efficient extractions, while the hammer's ability to pull instead of push provides additional control over the process. If you've been impressed by the technologies I've presented so far, wait until you see what the next level of innovation has in store for you. I guarantee it'll be even more exciting. Timber Drive is a remarkable innovation in the field of tools that'll make your life easier for installing large structural bolts. Its ergonomic design and ability to operate standing up make it an ideal solution for a variety of heavy-duty applications, from building decks and docks to installing walkways and floors. What sets Timber Drive apart is its ability to operate while standing, significantly reducing knee, back, and shoulder fatigue compared to traditional installation methods. This ergonomic feature not only improves user comfort, but also increases efficiency and productivity in the workplace. In addition, Timber Drive offers exceptional versatility when working with a wide range of materials, from wood to engineered wood and metal. Its built-in extension allows for ergonomic upright screwing, making it easier to access hard-to-reach areas and reducing the need to bend or kneel while working. The tool is compatible with both corded and cordless motors, giving users the flexibility to choose the power system that best suits their needs. What we've just seen so far is just the tip of the iceberg. The next breakthrough will challenge our perception of reality in ways we can't even imagine. The Canon 1K is a versatile tool that streamlines the installation of electrical circuits, data cables, fiber optic cables, and high-tense ropes. With an impressive pulling speed of up to 130 feet per minute, this tool is designed to provide efficiency and ease of use in a wide range of applications. One of the outstanding features of the Canon 1K is its built-in handle, which allows the user to maintain precise control of the tool during operation. This handle is adjustable to accommodate both right and left-handed users, ensuring optimal comfort for all operators. In addition, a quick-release connector arm simplifies tool setup, allowing users to get started quickly without wasting time on complicated prep work. The grooved pulling head included with the Canon 1K is equipped with an adjustable pipe clamp that securely grips the edge of the pipe or panel during pulling. This ensures greater stability and accuracy, even in difficult working conditions. In addition, the unit's articulating wedge arm is ideal for sealing applications, making it easier to handle cables and wires in elevated spaces. We are at the beginning of a journey into the unknown. The next invention will take us into unexplored territories of science and technology. From assembling furniture to tightening screws in hard-to-reach places, the Skill Twist 2.0 4-volt cordless screwdriver is the perfect tool for quickly completing small household jobs and repairs. This ergonomic electric screwdriver is designed to provide comfort and efficiency for any task. One of the outstanding features of the Skill Twist 2.0 is its innovative patented swivel head for added versatility. This head locks into 3 different positions: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, making it easy to work in tight spaces and at awkward angles. Whether you're assembling furniture in a tight corner or tightening screws in a hard-to-reach cabinet, this Skill Twist 2.0 swivel head gives you the flexibility you need to get the job done with ease. In addition, the screwdriver has 3 torque settings that allow you to adjust the output to suit the application. Whether you're working with soft or harder materials, you can easily adjust the torque for optimal results. The screwdriver's built-in LED light provides increased visibility in low-light conditions, allowing you to work with precision in dark environments. The invention you've just seen is just the beginning of a conversation that'll change the world. We're about to write a new chapter in the history of science. Much more than a simple pipe locator, the rigid SR24LE is a precision tool designed to simplify and streamline the task of locating underground utilities with exceptional accuracy. Equipped with GPS technology and low-energy Bluetooth, this locator easily integrates with external devices for hassle-free data collection. The SR24LE's intuitive locating display provides a clear and detailed visualization of the estimated direction and depth of utilities, allowing the operator to accurately identify the location of underground utilities. In addition, audio cues guide the operator through the locating process, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience in the field. The SR24LE's omnidirectional antenna array captures the full field of the signal, making it easier to acquire the signal and accurately track its path. In addition, the gradient antenna pair provides right and left-handed steering, allowing the operator to center the signal with exceptional accuracy. This translates into increased speed and accuracy in the localization process, saving time and reducing the possibility of errors. If you think this is amazing, wait until you see what comes next. We are about to exceed all expectations with our next discovery. The Nemo electric hull cleaner is more than just an innovation. It's a tool designed in direct collaboration with professionals in boat bottom cleaning, aquarium cleaning, and pool maintenance. This product was conceived to revolutionize the way boat bottoms are cleaned, offering a solution that drastically reduces working time. With a 12-inch brush specifically designed to effectively remove marine growth, the Nemo not only streamlines the cleaning process, but also protects the boat's paint finish, ensuring quality maintenance without collateral damage. Powered by a 900-watt brushless motor and powered by a 10Ah lithium-ion battery, the Nemo provides over 2 hours of continuous operation on a single charge. This power and autonomy ensure that professionals can complete their cleaning tasks efficiently and without interruption, maximizing their productivity in the water. One of the outstanding features of the Nemo is its ability to automatically adhere to the work surface, allowing the diver to move with freedom and precision without the need to apply additional force to the hull. This technological milestone is impressive, but what's next will surprise you even more. We're approaching a future we can only imagine in our wildest dreams. The Barreld ultralight knee pads are more than just a personal safety accessory, they are an extraordinary tool for modern life. As protective gear, they're designed to provide an exceptional level of comfort and stability for professionals working in a variety of industries. The ultralight design of each knee pad, which weighs only 11 ounces, not only reduces fatigue during long workdays, but also significantly increases user comfort. This allows professionals to stay fresh and focused on their work without worrying about the added weight of the knee pads. The Barwalt knee pads are uniquely designed with an accordion-style folding top that provides a complete fit while standing or moving. This feature ensures that the knee pads adapt perfectly to each user's needs, providing optimal support at all times. The non-slip outer cover provides an additional level of safety and stability while working, preventing slips and providing a solid base for performing tasks on a variety of surfaces. In addition, the knee pads are easily convertible to be compatible with harnesses. What we've achieved so far is just the first step into a new universe of possibilities. We're about to dive into a sea of innovation that'll redefine our understanding of the cosmos. Much more than a standard tool, the 18-volt LLX lithium-ion cordless 10-ounce caulking and glue gun, XGC017Z tool only, is a versatile, powerful, and lightweight solution designed to meet the needs of contractors who apply large quantities of caulk and glue to their projects. With a 5-speed control dial that ranges from 0 to 66 inches per minute (IPM) and a variable speed trigger, the XGC-017 allows the user to adjust flow to meet specific application needs. This level of control ensures accurate and consistent dispensing. The XGC-017Z's compact design, with a length of only 15/7/8 inches and a weight of only 5.1 pounds, provides a comfortable and ergonomic working experience. This allows contractors to work longer hours without excessive fatigue, increasing productivity and efficiency on the job site. In addition, the XGC-017Z's 360-degree rotating cartridge holder perfectly accommodates 10-ounce and 10.1-ounce cartridges, providing exceptional flexibility and ease of use in a variety of situations. You're almost in the future, right? But if you're still hungry for more, don't forget to watch the rest of our videos to satisfy that craving. And most importantly, subscribe.